An invoice creation has 4 steps. In step 1, you add invoice details. In steps 2 and 3, you add bank details and enable payment options. In step 4, you finalize your design and send the invoice to your client. Steps 2 and 3 are optional. Depending on your requirement, you can enable or disable the GST option. Start off by writing invoice number, date, and due date. The due date helps you to send automated reminders to your clients. You can also add purchase order or quotation number. Upload your logo by clicking on the plus sign and select the image from your system to crop and add. In the Build By section, enter your details like name, address, GST, etc. If it's a GST invoice, add GST number and your PAN will be automatically added. In the Build To section, enter your client details like name, address, GST, etc. All these details will be saved for you, which will save time and effort for the next invoice. In this section, you can add shipping and transportation details. Select Invoice Currency from drop-down box. Once done, proceed with adding a line item or service, including description, quantity, rate, and amount. This section is completely customizable, which is one of the major features. By clicking here, you can hide a column, rename a column, or add a new column altogether and change your column data type according to your profession and invoice needs. Like we added blog name in this one. Now in this section, you can mark a discount which will be applicable on all items. Here you can add additional charges like shipping and packing charges. In this section, you can add terms and conditions and notes. The note is a free field where you can enter anything for which there is no suitable field otherwise. In this section, you can sign by uploading your signature image or sign by using your mouse to make your invoice look professional. In this section, you can add your contact details like email and phone number for better communication. Go ahead and click on Save and continue to create your invoice. You can sign up by your Google account or type your name and email address and click on Save and Continue and your account will be created. Now we move to step 2, where you can add payment details or you can skip to add it later. You can add your bank details like account number, IFSC code, and UPI details. Now moving to step 3, you can enable various payment methods such as bank, UPI, credit and debit cards which will be mentioned on the invoice. This step is completely optional. In the next section, you can see your final invoice with all the details and add or edit your payment options. You can choose from a host of templates and designs available. Once ready, you can also print, download, or share your invoice by email, WhatsApp, or a link. You can email the invoice to client from here itself. This will help you see when client opens the email and also you can send a reminder to your client about the invoice. So, easy 4 steps and you are good to go. In case you need any help, ping us on the chat. Happy invoicing.